Subscribe Rambox Kids. Hey kids, let's learn alphabets. A for apple. Say it with me. A for apple. B for ball. B for ball. Great job. C for cat. C for cat. D for dog. Very good. E for elephant. E for elephant. F for fox. F for fox. Very good. G for goat. G for goat. Very nice. H for horse. H for horse. I for igloo. Say it with me. I for igloo. Very good. J for jug. J for jug. K for kite. K for kite. L for lion. L for lion. Very good. M for monkey. M for monkey. Excellent. N for nest. N for nest. O for orange. O for orange. P for peacock. P for peacock. Q for queen. Q for queen. Great job. R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Great job. S for sun. S for sun. T for tiger. T for tiger. U for umbrella. U for umbrella. V for van. V for van. Excellent. W for watch. W for watch. X for Xmas tree. X for Xmas tree. Y for yak. Y for yak. Z for zebra. Z for zebra. Z